At nightfall. Of course. Because of Ether, the undead are drawn to us during these nightly storms. Fast. It won't only be just a few enemies on us once night falls. So go. Bring me very nice. It looks like this universe has plenty. It's dark. A storm is picking up, and there will be many strong enemies outside the base. You need to return now. My latest masterpiece is finally ready for field testing. This shield will protect you from the storm, so long as you remain in its perimeter. Now, feast your eyes on your new automated defense turret system. A pinnacle of my genius and your heart. The best feature? It's the one thing in this wretched place that doesn't require vermin. Just as I thought. There's going to be more of them attacking at night. Take good care of the control center. I'll focus on repairing the teleporter. I've added ether energy parameters to the turret's auto-aiming system, so it can automatically target these creatures. You'll want to adjust the turret positions to ensure they have the best positioning.
Under attack.
Damn it! Enemies have broken down the facilities outside the control center. Don't just sit. Well done, but keep your guard up. My scans are detecting more monsters. I took a crack at creating upgrade blueprints. Here, you can try using collected components to upgrade your turret. When all else fails, do what I often do in these situations. Use 9. More enemies are appearing on the radar. Keep going. The ether energy collector is working now. And keep it from being destroyed. Wait a minute. I found the coordinates of our target universe. It's as if there's an energy radiating from it.
The base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it.
New portal is opened. Men, we are going home. Wait, stop! It's not for us to go out. It's for something to come in. Dipsy, Nikolai, prepare to rain fire down upon the intruders.